Now here's where we add our egg. We're gonna go ahead and crack it into the cupper here, just like that. Now you've gotta nail this move, okay? It's one quick motion. So 1, 2, and 3, just like that. We wanna hold as much of the egg in there. It's okay if you get a little runoff because that's gonna help create the sauce. And use the cupper and you're gonna pull as much up into the cup as you can, just like that, all right? Perfect, you're gonna see all the air getting pulled out the top. Great. Now we remove the device, and this is where the magic happens, all right? Watch closely, and grab a few pieces of butter here. All right, now that pressure is gonna keep the yolk of the egg from cooking as the heat works its way up through the steak. And take just a few pads of butter here. I'm gonna place that around the base of the steak, okay? Lift up onto that. And that's gonna start steaming from the bottom up through the meat. Place a pad here, and as that melts, that's gonna add some awesome flavor to our steak. Now, if you haven't seen this cooking technique before, I'm happy to be the one to share it with you. It uses this device here. It's normally used for cupping therapy, but it's the perfect device to create this kind of localized pressure, and it seals everything up inside right here on top. So while the rest of the steak is cooking, we're creating a nice beef cream sauce on top with the yolk. It's gonna run down. It's almost like a beef tartare, if you've ever had that experience. This is the best way to serve a steak up when you're having a dinner party, okay?